Hi everyone, welcome to CLLST. So in last videos of mine where I was talking about ILET notification, I had stated that CLAT notification is about to come and it's here. So let's see what the notification is all about, what it's stating. So for this guys, first of all, I'll advise all of you to keep checking the website of consortium of nlus.ac.in, and for the detailed information you can visit this website which covers each and every detail of the exam. So it states that the online enrollment for CLAT 2020 will open on 1st of January and will close on 31st of March 2021. So you can fill the form from 1st January 2021 till 31st of March 2021, and the application has to be submitted in online form, and you can submit the same on the website consortium of nlus.ac.in. So for all the details, you'll have to keep checking, you'll have to check this website on regular basis. And as stated, CLAT is always scheduled on second Sunday of May. So this year also exam will happen on 9th of May 2021 from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Obviously, it is subject to revision in case of necessity. So that necessity is because of COVID, which happened last year also. So keeping in mind the situation and scenario, it may change, but for now, it's that the exam will happen on 9th of May. The other important announcement by consortium is that CLAT examination will be held in offline mode. So start practicing mocks in online as well as offline mode. So you don't know what will happen on 9th of May, but for now it's that the exam will happen in offline mode. So even guys, if you are practicing mocks in online mode right now, don't worry. uh, you can practice it later on as well in offline format. So there's no need to worry, there's no need to panic. Obviously we will provide you mocks in offline format, but for that you'll have to wait for some times. And then the candidate are first required to register. So you can read all the necessary details here. The other important information which you have to keep in mind is the candidate shall fill her preference order for all 22 NLUs after the results are declared. So it is stating that the preference which we used to fill earlier at the time of filling of the form, now it's stated that you have to fill after the results are declared. So we have to keep this in mind. Also, let's see what happens once the forms are out. Then candidate requested to choose the program UG and PG correctly. So obviously those of you who are in 12th standard and is planning for BA, BBA, BSc, LLB, you have to go for UG course and not the PG one. PG one is the LLM one, which is for the law graduate. So that's not for you. So you have to keep these things in mind. Then also, what are the documents which is required? It's also on that page. They have stated that front facing passport size recent photograph is needed, then signature of the candidate is needed. If you are applying in certain category, so you need the category certificate. So all these things is required, or the documents are required. So it is suggested for you guys to check each and every details properly before filling up the form, so that there's no issue while filling up the form. And it also states that the all documents certificate should be uploaded in PDF format. So make sure that you are uploading or your all documents are available in PDF format. Then it's talking about the eligibility criteria also. So any candidate who has completed 10 plus 2 or equivalent examination is eligible to apply for CLAT 2020 exam. Minimum 45 marks for general and OBC category people, and 40% marks for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people. Candidates appearing for their class 12th examination in March April 2021 are also eligible for CLAT 2021 examination. There is no upper age limit to apply for CLAT, so you need not to worry whether I am falling in that criteria, whether my age is, we have crossed the age mark or not. So there is no age limit required for CLAT. So these are the few things which you have to keep in mind. Exam on 9th May, that is Sunday, timing from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Application mode is an online format. For that, you have to visit the consortium of nlus.ac.in. Examination mode is offline, that is paper based. Then application starts on January 1st, 2021. Application form closes on 31st of March. The form fees for general category, OBC, PWD, NRI, PIO, OCI candidate is 4,000. For SC, ST, and BPL people, it's 3,500. So these are few important things which you have to keep in mind. Examination pattern guide. So we all know that what's the pattern of exam, but to have a quick revision, So English is 28 to 32, 20% of the paper, 28 to 32 questions in English, that is 20% of the paper. Quantitative or aptitude is 10% of the paper. Logical is again 20%. GK and legal aptitude is 25%, 25% each of the papers. So total marks is 150. You are getting 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. And there's negative marking, 0.25 marks for each wrong answer is there. So always mark your, if you're not sure, don't mark it because there's a negative marking which cost us a lot. So we have to keep that in also mind. For more information about CLAT, about the courses, what we are providing, please visit www.lawentrance.com/CLAT. For CLAT 2020 crash course, please visit this lawentrance.com/CLAT Express Coaching. And for more detail about the exam, please ping me on, or if you want to have any discussion, or if you want to get in touch with me, please drop a mail at suhasini@careerlauncher.com. Thank you so much, guys. Be ready for the exam. All the best.